Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new season of Kerbal Space Program, where we had like a special episode for the end of the last season last time, and we're getting started afresh today. Now, we have actually already done a little bit of science. I did the thing where we go straight to the... No, this is the wrong one. This is a sandbox one where we just checked to see that everything was working. So we want to be out of here. Resume save, and we've got Nick Doom 2, because this is the new series. We have done a little bit of science, though. We've done the basic one. You know where basically we cheat and we launch onto the... Yeah, like, go there. That's where we launched from. I want to have a look at it. We planted a flag right on the launch bay, and we got enough science to do the first set. Go back to the Space Center. But it does mean we got some basic parts now so we can work on. Oh, unentitled spacecraft. We do need a name for the spacecraft, so we're going to leave that up to the Twitch people. The screen's a bit black. Oh no, yeah, it's fine. So they're going to let me know what they want to call it, and I'm sure they can amicably decide between themselves what's going to be the best name. For the meantime, we want something that will just quickly get us into orbit. Do I have decouplers yet? I don't think I do. Oh, we do have a decoupler with a basic level of tech, so that's good. Don't have a tricouplers or anything like that, do we, though? No. Definitely want a little parachute to come back down with. Another decoupler here. So final stage, intermediary. This stage. Baron Coxey. I don't know about that name. We'll have to let the Twitch chat decide. See if anyone else comes up with any good suggestions. And the last stage by 3. This is a habit of going wrong for me. But I always like it. We don't have any space tape or anything like that. I don't think adding these structural things is going to do much, but it's going to make me feel better. I only did the one. Okay, well, we'll just get rid of these things. They don't seem to do it. I like it to be stubborn. Stubborn. Okay, the first populated area that the 1,000 missiles are, and you murdered that name. Okay, if we don't get any more options at the minute, I think we're going to go with this is name of stubborn, because that does sort of fit us. In fact, at least for this first launch, that's what we'll go with. Suggestions from the YouTubers for any future rocket names I'll be saving. Nubstub. There we go. For future rockets will be taken either from the comments, or if you want to go to housedoom.com and post in the forums, we'll be happy with that as well. Well, we've got this saved, so that's our first ship. Actually, no, wait, we need sciencey stuff. We don't have much of it, but we need some sciencey stuff. Okay, so I know you don't need these 2 pods, but we're going to have them. And then, come on, little ears. Yeah, he's got ears. Let's launch him. Or we could use the steam group as well, yes. Recover what is left. By the way, Lord of Bones, have you put the steam group picture thing there yet? Because I still get a question mark instead of like an actual picker. We don't have any control, so we're going to have fun trying to fly this up straight. Do we have it? Oh, we do have a bit of SAS in the the original control panel. That's good. Observe the mystery goo. Observe the mystery goo. Transmit it. Yeah, that's fine. Observe mystery goo. Transmit. Might as well try and get, eke out what little bit of science we can. Not enough electrical charge. Oh. Recover the vessel. The thing won't upload. Ah. Try and let me know why, and in between episodes we'll have a play with that then. So I've messed up there, because I used up all the electricity. Which isn't clever. And we got basically no science for it. But let's launch again and actually launch this time. Come on, launch. Leave the mystery goo alone. We don't have enough electricity to deal with that yet. We need batteries or solar panels or something. And let's launch. I've messed up the stages, so resume flight. Recover the vessel. Come back here. Yeah, it does help if we have all the rockets. Oh, I could have just... Looking at the stages as they are now, I could have just hit the spacebar button again. But it's fine. Save. We won't remark this because all we've done is change the stages, not anything else. A little bit of sat-nav SAS that we have. Yep, and this should be good. Let's launch. So we're finally going up. A bit quicker than what we were at the end of the last season. Count of the turn, count of the turn. Get back up straight. Probably could have done with not having, this on full throttle. But it's fine. Okay, and for some reason, I still didn't have that middle one going. We're slowing down terribly, so let's stage and see if we can get going up again. Yeah, good. So I should have had all 4 of them firing at once, but not on full power. So we've got a way to improve this this launch already. And we have Jebediah back, because he's not lost in this version of the space program, which is nice. 10,000 meters. I'm not sure how high we're actually going to get. Can I tell you to do a report, please? Right, crew report. Send it back, because we should have enough electricity because we're burning our huge engine. Crew report. Yeah, there's no science value left in it. However, mystery goo. Transmit. Oh, no, don't cancel. Don't transmit it then. It renders it incapable of doing anything else later on. It's fine. Can I just have this not here, please? 28,000 meters. Yeah, we should have actually probably been doing a gravity turn beforehand, but let's turn. Now pull up a bit. This way. I really do prefer having decent SAS. If I can get into position, which is about there. And we have a look up here. Can you go away? I'll keep report. Keep report then, yeah, fine. And how far are we away from the apoapsis? 55 seconds, so we'll stay on here. Goo container is a one-time use. I thought it was, but I thought if I reported, then you could use it again, but I guess not. Should be about 30 seconds now. 40. It's fine, though. Well, they weren't supposed to fire at the same time. I need this stage. All of them are a one-time use unless we have the Kerbals collect the data. Thank you, Raging Mahjong Layer. I am terrible at these names. But yeah, we also have a problem with staging, yet again. So we do need to adjust for staging on this. For the time being, let's take the throttle down and try and get this guy's back home. So we did get quite high, but we didn't quite achieve orbit because I wasted my entire third stage. And a quarter of my first stage. So the fact that we got this high up with wasting as much as we did, I'm reasonably happy. But we should be coming back down now reasonably fast. Well, 4 times faster than what we would be. Ooh. Actually, that's more than 4 times now, isn't it? Oh no, it's just 4 times, that's fine then. And we're coming back in. Once we get close to the thick atmosphere, I'll slow us down because I still think the mechanics work that way. They can blow us up. Launch a parachute. Probably flip us around so it don't, spin us and rip us apart as much. 500 meters. Once the parachutes come down, we're happy to speed this up. That was a lot of our rockets hitting the ground. There we go. And we can recover this craft. So actually that should have got us a reasonable bit of science just for recovering something that got as high up as it did. 27 done. So does that mean I actually have enough to buy something else? We do. We could get basic rocketry, which is a better engine and the big ass solid rocket boosters. Or different engine, a landing strut, and more parachutes. I'm going to get the better engine and the big ass rocket boosters for now. And that probably means I'll have a new stage here. So you guys, all 4 of you, are meant to be in the same group. But you're meant to be there. Okay, so you're the individual rockets. You're launching that off. You're revealing that. You're taking them fuel tanks off. You and you want to be the other way around. Actually give you another stage, so I want to control the parachutes separately. And because we've got them, the Mark II, now even stupider. Save and launch. I'm actually going to be stuck at home watching films tonight because I'm house sitting again, so I'm making a note and I'm going to watch UHF. Actually, another reason why I like streaming and doing YouTube in general. The amount of anime and stuff that people have suggested to me and actually have enjoyed afterwards and watching it. So all the stages should be correct this time. Let's launch Jebediah again. This is the slowest launch in the history of the world. Maybe 1 wasn't enough. Don't tip over. Don't tip over. I have no control surfaces. It's going to tip over. Oh, no, wait. We're able to control it. Good. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. Just keep going straight. Turn. Come on. Okay, so this stage has got us a whole 500 meters up in the air. And this one insists on spinning us. Can I stop the spin? Kill the spin, kill the spin. Thank you. Need to pull you back. No, no, no. Revert the flight. I'm going to try this again. Actually, revert to the vehicle assembly, and we're going to get rid of that big first booster. Because it didn't do its job. It's still going to be the Mark II, because we haven't actually done a launch, because technically that was a test launch, because I reverted it. Just a test launch. And we're not going to go fully up on the power just yet, and we'll throttle up to see how much we can move later. Everything looks fine. Launch. And then start turning up the fuel usage until we start going up. And I want to go slow at first, because I think that's how you deal with the air resistance. You know, we can't go too fast to start with. This is still tilting us round a bit. It's not as good when you don't have the side decouplers, but this should get us quite high up for very little burn. Right, stay straight. Stay straight. And don't spin on me. No, straight up. Thank you. And rotate a bit more. Come higher. Come on. Stay straight. See, to me, this bit here, it's like a mini game, just trying to stay straight up. Oh, going to need more thrust at this stage. I think it's going to have to be full thrust. But at 8,000 meters, yeah, we're doing well. Good. Let's rotate us around a bit. Try and get us back on the level. And actually, let's start working on a bit of a gravity turn. We should be okay at this now. And this stage is should last about as long as the last one because it was on half throttle. Okay, let's take this all the way to 45 and then reset the SAS. What little we have. There we go. How are we looking out here? 47,000. 50. I think that was the noise of the... Oh no, not quite. I thought that was the noise of the engines running out. We'll just let this engine burn out as far as it can on here. It's going to take us to... Not quite high enough, actually. So next stage... Just enough to push this to about 100. There we go. X. Don't hit the spacebar. Don't hit the spacebar. Turn us round so we're going to be pointing... Come on. The right way. Switch back out to orbit. 2 minutes, so we'll speed this up a bit. Till we get to the periapsis. And we've just hit space because we get the music now. Come on. Come on, 5 times speed. I would have thought that would have seemed like a lot quicker. Oh, because yeah, it wasn't 5 times, it was 2 times. Because I'm an idiot. 54 seconds. Okay, we're about at the point where... Because we might need to make some course corrections. But power up again. Probably could have got a bit closer to the periapsis first. In fact, let's power down and burn to be a bit closer again, because we've actually pushed it further away by about 30 seconds. don't hit the spacebar. Brother Dark, don't tell me to hit the spacebar. I do that enough by accident. And we should be good. Let's get a lot closer this time, because our craft has a tremendous power to weight, it would seem. You know, and it's able to push that periapsis away from itself. 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So we're twice as close as what we were last time. Get back on the line. Come out here. We should see it pop out soon. Running out of energy. Okay, we did get an orbit. And technically it's stable. It's not that circular, but it is an orbit. So we can do our science, and I should just have enough to deorbit us and get us back in. We might have to use the Earth's atmosphere to slow us down and get us back in that last bit. But, for now, take a crew report. And might as well send it back so we get 100%. I don't mean to toggle talk, actually, sorry. That's done. So we've done the crew report from here, so it doesn't let us do that again. We're running low on electricity, so we probably don't want to send anything else back, but take an EVA. EVA report. From just above the Kerbin's water. Keep it, because we don't have the electricity to do anything else. And we'll F and get back in. Observe the goo. Observe the goo. Oh, we'll keep them both. And now we're good to come back down. So this is another point where the 86, so we want to go to this one, then slow down. We're 8 minutes away. Okay, that went quicker than I was expecting. 7 minutes. I think we can avoid. I mean, afford to go that bit faster. Get us closer. Slow us down, please. Yeah, let's start getting ready for this maneuver. Where we want to be retro burning. Reset that, please. And how far away are we? 45 seconds. Let's just speed up a little bit. And do it right on the point. Still just a little bit before. Just thought I've not been setting any maneuvers. But here should be good. Burn as much as we can. Why it did that little spin round, I'm not sure. That should have hopefully... Yes, good, it's deorbited us. So now we can speed up again. And bring this thing back. Oh, we're throttled up. X, we're not throttled up anymore. Bring us back into Kerbin orbit. Like I said, I didn't think we would have stayed at that fast, but fine, come on. Oh. Eject off that last bit. Can you guys see? Because it's a bit dark for me as well, so... Might need to turn the gamma up again for you guys. Game capture, properties. Put the gamma up another 0.5, see if that helps. 23. I love going through the red stage. Whee! Burn the goo! How are you staying perfectly balanced at that? I would have thought the air would have thrusted you around a bit. Come on. We're not going to lose this Kerbin. 18,000 meters. Where's the planet? Oh, there's the planet. Good. And 15,000. Okay, we can speed up time. Launch a shoot. Use it as a bit of a drone shoot. About 2,000 meters, I'll slow down again. To wait for it to open. Then after we get it to open, I'll land it. 500 meters it should open. No, 1,000. Which I think means we're landing about 500 meters above sea level. So I can speed you up at around 600. I'll slow it down again. There we go. The planet was a big black thing blocking out the stars. That's not nice. Okay, I think we're almost there. Why is Nightbot messaging about Ivana? Anyway, recover the vessel. Actually, no. Don't recover the vessel. Do we have electricity? Oh, turn the SAS off because we're losing electricity. But I can send my Kerbal out. EVA. Take a surface sample. Take an EVA report. Keep them both. Get back in. And then we'll recover you. I got us 50 odd science. I've got us up to 50 odd science, should I say. So, keep going down the rocket thing, getting bigger engines and stuff. Control would be nice. And a radial decoupler would be even better. I'm not that fussed about what's in survivability. However, for 15 science, I know then it unlocks... Excuse me, junior science pod, better comms, and batteries. The basic mech jeb. Okay, we're going to grab the basic mech jeb. Oh, not enough. How far are we off? Oh, like 6 science. Really, we're that close? Launch. Oh, this, please remember, you click follow our stream as often as I can. And, good to have you here too. And because we're so close, I think maybe I can get the 6 science just by observing the mystery goo. Keep. It's 2 point something. 2 point something. Are you kidding me? We're going to be like 1 away. We're going to be 1 away. Can do another report. Crew report. Worth exactly nothing. EVA. Oh crap. How did that not kill the Kerbal? Okay, jump off the rocket. You're not getting back up, but... Ow. Take a surface sample. Keep the data. Recover vessel. Ah, dumb, that didn't quite get us enough. Go back to the stubborn, which has no people in it now, but if I recover this craft, it should give me enough. Recover the vessel. I had to recover them separately because the Kerbal wouldn't get back up. But done, yes. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that was a timer for the YouTube episode. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching, but unfortunately, I'm going to have to say goodbye. Goodbye.